Jingiakren halor kakam ya penbet put hapdeng Menteri Rangba ke Assam Meghalaya kan long Lashai kalai pau tarik sngi sejan hapo state guest house Koinadora Khanapara Guwahati hakapor shibaje no phai sngi. Hakani Jingiakren ha kakala kabaar hapdeng Chief Minister ke Meghalaya Konrad ke Sangma bat Chief Minister ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kan long halor ki Henryu teli ki jaka ki badang saateng ki badan hapdeng jingiakaja hapdeng kini ki arjella. Haba pentep iakane usembut Menteri Rangba kajella uba senyau bahalang dhar ulaong baya kamat kabayadai bat kasnong lapangap ru enra lang hakane jingiakren kaban long Lashai kasngi. Jingiakren ru halor kamat kabayadai bat ki jingja jong jingiakynad ki balaja ha kasnong lapangap. Ngin sa syem ya karai kabak hadu hadin jingamir jingmut lang hapdeng ki arjella ong uba adhar. Uba dairu chairman jong regional committee na kabenta ka West Giant Hills District. Da kaba penpau balala bantelakam ya jinglong jingman Deputy Chief Minister ulaong ba kasnong lapangap kamhap satya ha jaka kabadan hapdeng jingapher jingmut. Hendrai haba kinong song kalapangap kilalet ban khet ya ukuba na kipentha ki jongki. Day hakabakum kani kapor bakalami jingiakaja. Kum taru ulaong bakin sapet Lashai kasngi kae karai kabakin shim hakabayadai bat kani kabenta. Nalor kata uni Menteri upentep ru bana kalyang ki Deputy Commissioner na po Assam Meghalaya ru kin IT yaki kai phot jongki hakabayadai bat kate jingja hakani jingelang hapdeng kini ki arngut ki Chief Minister. Ngin persyang banweng ya kani kamat bat ngikwa ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsan la kalong kumno ru ula ong syu. Jingiakynad ka badang shen hapdeng ki pat Karbi bat kinong syongsnong ki badai ki khasi Pnar kalakhe ha kasnong lapangap haki benta khaput bat ka Assam namar ki marep ki badan ha ka we ka jakarep nadu ka arphun riu tarik menta ubanai. Nakalyang ki bor sorkar ki lapha syu ya ki kinhun pulit siya katiga jaka na kabenta banwan rapat ya ka syongsuk syongsngai.
Minister of State ucapnya putih diskus itu isu. Ya, nanti barat tomorrow. As of today, situation is under control. Today, no, it is under control. Hopefully, it will be not there, but conflicts always. So this place is, even Lapangap village itself does not fall under the area of difference. And when this Lapangap people went to harvest their paddy field, and some conflicts has come, that is the reason. So we'll see tomorrow. Let us get the report from the DC. This will try to solve it nicely. So but always that's a continuous process only. We always, sometime they request us, sometime we request them. That is how the dialogue has happened. They have to work according to the situation. You and me, they are on the field, no? They know better than you and me, because they are on the field. That is why I'm telling you that the situation is under control as of now.
Okay.
They can harass them. From both DC.
Okay.
Yeah, obviously. They will submit from Assam to the Chief Minister, from us to our own Chief Minister. We will take tomorrow what decision we will take, but we will take tomorrow. It should be maintained by any means. At DC level, they used to control the situation, both DC, Assam side and Meghalaya side. And the talk will be tomorrow, 2 o'clock. The issues which last for the last 50 years plus, and we are just 5.5 years in the government. I think more or less within this year we should be able to resolve it. Process of finalization now. What additional? That is yet to talk, no? We will listen to the request if the request is genuine. If the request is not genuine, what to say? We will listen to that request. Maybe next week we may call them if they are ready. If we are from our side, we are ready to show them the formula, the blueprint. We will show them this is our print. Government blueprint is government blueprint. We cannot expose it.